Actually, Sunny, I'll start with you because your ad is the last thing that we saw. Very strenuously you were working out. But tell me, I'm sure that working on a commercial like that, where it's just about water, it's not about a product. This is something that we all require. This is something that we need. How was that experience? Was it just different than all the other products that you endorse?
I have a special request to make. I have all my people here, but a few of them don't understand English.
जी जरूर जी हाँ
If you repeat like
बिल्कुल
कि अब उड़ान अब आपको बेल्ट की पेटी बांधने सिखाई जाएगी
बिल्कुल
जी फ्लाइट चंडीगढ़ को जा रही है और वो बोल रही है कि रास्ते में अगर जहाज को समुद्र पे उतारना पड़े
मैं हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ मैंने सनी से यही सवाल पूछा कि अभी हमने आखिर में उनका एड देखा और जिस प्रोडक्ट को सनी इसमें इंडोर्स कर रही हैं वो एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट तो है लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत जीने के लिए हमें इसी की लगती है और वो है पानी जल राइट सो वो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो कैसा रहा आपके लिए जस्ट शूटिंग दिस कमर्शियल बाकी सारे मतलब जो एंडोर्समेंट्स हैं उससे अलग यार अब क्योंकि देखो फोटो खींच लिया अब वो सवाल जवाब हो रहे हैं ना तो बस आपको भी मौका मिलने वाला तो प्लीज शांत रहिएगा थैंक यू
Shooting actually बहुत अलग था because as you've seen I've not shot an ad इस तरह I've not shot an ad on this level production value क्या था the amount of काम जो हमने किया इस ad के लिए बहुत था and I had to punch that punching bag I don't know how many times and I think most importantly जब आप एक product को endorse करते हो वो अच्छी product होनी चाहिए मैं मानती हूँ believe करती हूँ इस product में and I think you know we all have to live and we can only live with water without water we wouldn't be alive so
Sunny, we were just speaking about how you really love the packaging of the bottle and, you know, there's so many, like, I would like to say this, and I've caught them. There's so many actors who endorse different brands but use different brands for their personal life. But you seem to know very well about the bottle, the packaging, what goes inside. Would you like to talk about that? क्या आप उसके बारे में बात कर सकती हैं? सनी यहाँ पे जब खड़ी हुई थी मेरे साथ, हिंदी में बता देता हूँ, तो हम पैकेजिंग की तारीफ कर रहे थे, हम उसके कंटेंट्स की तारीफ कर रहे थे. So Sunny.
Yes, हम अभी बात कर रहे थे that what Sir was saying earlier, मैं सुन रही थी, is that water doesn't have an expiration date. पानी का expiration date नहीं है, सिर्फ bottle का expiration date है. अगर वो plastic जो पानी के अंदर है वो अच्छा नहीं है, then आपका पानी is not good basically. So that was something that I thought was absolutely amazing, and I think that what I love about this product is that you have people that are so proud. कितने लोग इतना काम किया to get the water in the bottle and everything from the cap to the packaging to the shooting to the plastic wrapped around to the sticker to the people that are doing all the work in the factories and all these different places. वो मेहनत से ये जल पानी बनाया था. So I'm very proud to be a part of this, to be a part of Jal, and I hope everybody drinks it.
आप लोगों ने पिया? पिया? Good. क्योंकि
मैंने कोशिश किया हिंदी में बात करने, so hopefully everybody understood me.
This is Suhail over here. Hi, Sally. Double Mubarak आपको. First of all, to being a proud mother, or second, getting associated with Jal. How would you express your happiness?
I am beyond happy about everything. जो मेरे life में अभी हो रहा, I'm gonna knock on wood. अच्छा हो रहा है. My personal life and my professional life, I'm able to endorse a brand that is completely mainstream, that is water. I mean, this is when I first heard that I was going to be endorsing a water brand, I was like, get out of here, no way. And of course, Daniel ने मुझे बोला था कि हाँ हम पानी endorse करेंगे, and पानी का नाम, the name of the brand is Jal. And जब मैंने वो visuals देखे थे, सब कुछ देखा था, पानी का taste किया, सब कुछ, it's a no-brainer to be able to say yes to a brand like this. And as far as my personal life, I'm extremely happy. Okay, one and last question on this, because today is all about gel, right? So, actually, मैं आपको वो feeling महसूस आपको नहीं बता सकती हूँ, क्योंकि दिल में क्या है when you see this little face and जब वो आपको देखती है, smile करती है, हंसती है, I mean, आप तो पिघल जाएंगे. ऐसा feeling है. So, and it's amazing. And then no more questions about this.
Yeah, can we not ask personal questions?
Yeah, later.
आपने जल के साथ शुरुआत की, फिर आप कहीं और चले गए. आपकी मम्मी से पूछना चाहूंगा, जब आप पैदा हुए थे, आप उनको कैसी फीलिंग थी?
सनी, जल ही जीवन है. जल ही जीवन है. What is jal?
कहाँ हैं आप?
What is jal for you, Sunny?
Okay.
Jal is life.
And something more?
Of course. Gel is life. We can't live without water. Pani ke bina nahi. How do you say that in Hindi? You can't live without it. Ji nahi sakte. And I believe that jo aap body ke andar dalte, like your food, pani, everything that you do reflects on your skin, reflects on kaise dikhte, how you feel, all these different things. And water is the key element of how you feel. जब पानी नहीं पीते, then क्या होता है? You feel dehydrated, you feel down, you feel low. But जब आप पानी पीते, you feel energized and you feel amazing. And as far as, you know, outside इतना गर्मी है that you have to drink a lot of water to stay hydrated.
And how did you get associated with the producers? I don't know the name.
Mr. Chatwal and Mr. Bedi.
Chatwal. And जैसे जल उनके लिए 40 साल तक वेट कर रहा था, आप कितने साल तक वेट कर रही थी?
पानी के लिए?
हम जल की बात कर.
I live for it.
To get associated with him, aren't you lucky?
Sure. Being associated with the production, Mr. Chatwal, everybody who's associated with this brand that's worked on gel, it's an absolute honor. I mean, you're dealing with a brand and with a company that's as honest can be. Mr. Chatwal के stories इतने अच्छे और इतने funny हैं, मैं पूरा दिन सुन सकती हूँ. And shooting on set and being, you know, with everyone has been, it's been, you couldn't even ask for a more pitch perfect scenario, shooting. Everything that we've done, all of our associations together have all been happy, and I'm very proud to be endorsing water.